A real estate broker's real job is to share this kind of post into tons of groups for relevant people who may be interested in buying this kind of property. And today with AI, I don't know how many real estate brokers use AI, but look at this kind of functionality which will allow you to share this kind of post to multiple groups. See this button, this multi-group button that you can see over here, it's right above my head. I could literally click it with my finger. When I click it with my mouse, literally takes me to a page where I can share this post to multiple groups. Now, let's say you have 100 different real estate groups in New York, which you want to share to. So now with this Chrome extension, once you install it, your Facebook sharing experience just changes completely. The first step is to load all of your groups. You just click on load all. And what happens at that moment is that it loads the entire list of groups so that you can then select the ones you want and share to all of those groups in one go. And it doesn't stop there. Once you've shared them to all of your groups, you can save the list of groups as a preset, so you never have to find them again. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to click, once it's completely loaded and all the groups are ready, I'm going to click on this button here, the share button, the search button. You see it's highlighted. Once I click on it, it shows me literally all 175 groups I'm in. And now I can search for all my real estate groups. For example, all the real estate groups in New York. Check all this out. Then I can select all 17. And now that they're all selected, I can literally share this post to 17 groups. It could be 100 groups. Or I could click on Save as Preset. That's right above my head. And then I can have this group as my New York real estate groups. And from now on, I'll never have to search again. I can just click on presets and then click on this and then apply this preset. Now, if there's an apartment that applies to real estate in New York and Manhattan, so I can literally check more than one preset and it will only share to the unique groups inside that preset. Meaning, if you create, let's say, a group for New York, a group for Los Angeles, and a group for, I don't know, for Florida, and they're all presets, you can literally check them all. Let's click on post to 15 unique groups. So there's 17 in total, including the Manhattan one. When I click on share now, what you're about to see is it asks you, would you like to write any post content? Real estate brokers. This is the new way of sharing your listings to all the relevant groups. The final step is to select the delay between posts. The default is 8, but you can make it 3 seconds. You can also add a randomized delay, which adds between 15 and 35 seconds between each post to protect your account even more. I'm going to leave that off for now. I'm going to click share now. What you're about to see is the magic is going to happen. This app is literally going to share this post into 17 groups without me doing anything. Now, even if I go to a different website, if I go do other work while this is happening, right now it's going to be sharing to 17 groups. Let me show you how it looks as it shares. So it's shared the first group and now it's going to share to the second group. As you can see over here, it just selects the group and then types the blurb and shares it. This is going to be the way that you do your sharing to your real estate. It's an absolute no-brainer to use this tool. It's completely free to use, by the way, with a small watermark. You can remove the watermark for a couple of bucks a month and your work is done, and you never have to think of, did I already post to this group? I don't want to post to this group twice because they won't be happy if they see the same listing twice. And as you can see, it will just do all your work for you. An absolute no-brainer for real estate agents or anyone really. The truth is, this software could be used for people promoting applications, drop shippers, or whatever kind of business you're in. If you're sharing to multiple groups, this multiple group share assistant app is the ultimate Facebook companion. It will make sure that your posts become viral. Now, when sharing becomes this easy, you do it more. When marketing is so simple, people do it more. See, the reason why people don't market is because it's so overwhelming. There's so much to do, so many groups. And when Facebook only lets you do one at a time or 5 at a time at best, this is going to solve your problem. So when you look at the website here, you can see how it works. Share all your Facebook groups in one click. If you want the website, just type website in the description and I will send it right to you. See you in the next video, and bye for now.